Basic Igbo greetings. Let's look at some greetings in Igbo. Kedu, kedu. This is just like saying how na, but it's the short form of kedu ka imere, kedu ka imere, which is how are you. Response is ndị mma or adị m mma. Ndị mma or adị m mma. They both mean I am fine. Adị m mma or ndị mma. Another popular Igbo greeting is ndewo. 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 Good day, well done, and so on. When you want to use it for more than one person, you say ndewo no. Ndewo no. Response, ya gaziere gi or ya gazie for short.
Another one is kachi fo. Kachi fo, translating to may the day break, but it's used to mean good night in Igbo. The response to this is kobo, ka obo, meaning let it dawn, kobo. Another one is ibola chi, which translates to have you dawn or have you broken the day, if that makes any sense in English. But that is our morning greeting in Igbo, ibola chi. The response is which is yes. Okay, that will be all for now. By the way, ndewo no, ka ọ dị mgbe ọzọ.